I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Payoneer. So if you want to transfer money from Payoneer to your bank account, here's how to do it. First, you want to go to payoneer.com and then sign into your account. And then on the left side panel, you want to click on withdraw and convert button. And then you want to select withdraw to bank. And in here, you will be asked to add your bank details. Click on add account details here, and then click on add a bank account if you don't have one already linked, and then select the bank country and the account type, whether it's personal or business, and the currency, and then press next, and then provide the bank name, the account holder name, the account number SWIFT, and the account type, whether it's checking or saving, and then press next. Now once you link it and it passes the review, which usually takes a few minutes to confirm the bank account. Now you can go back to the withdraw page here and then click on withdraw to bank, and you should be able to select your linked bank account and then specify the amount that you want to withdraw and withdraw from your 3 available balances directly to your bank account. And you should receive the payment within a few business days from Payoneer to your bank account directly. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.